Looking for a side hustle that's flexible, fun, and pays well, without the strict hours of fast food or retail jobs? Car washing and detailing might be exactly what you need. With just a few supplies and some good old-fashioned elbow grease, you can turn cars from dull to dazzling, all on your own schedule. Many people don't have time to visit a car wash, and professional detailing can be super expensive. Offering a home service is a major bonus for busy clients. You show up at their doorstep and they get a sparkling car. No hassle, no long wait lines. Here's why it's perfect for teens. Flexible hours, work on weekends or after school. No strict clock-in times like your peers in fast food or retail. Freedom to have fun. Still catch that movie with your friends or spend time with family. Steady cash flow. Busy neighbors will gladly pay for a convenient home service, especially if you do a great job. Ready to get rolling? First, gather your basics. Sponges, car-safe soap, microfiber towels, a vacuum, and maybe some wax for that extra shine. Then spread the word. Neighbors, family friends, social media, or flyers. Let them know you do home service so they don't have to lift a finger. Don't settle for just a basic wash. Offer extras like waxing, polishing, or full interior cleaning. And here's a special tip. Leave a small gift like a new air freshener. Clients love these thoughtful touches and might tip you more. Not everyone has cash on hand. Make it easy for your customers by accepting Zelle, PayPal, or Venmo. The more payment options you offer, the faster and more frequently you'll get paid. To really shine in this business, pay attention to detail. That means tires, door jambs, and cup holders. Offer loyalty packages, like a weekly or monthly wash for a discounted rate. Be on time. Respect your clients' busy schedules. Use eco-friendly products. It's better for the planet and shows you care. Car washing and detailing on your own terms. That's the perfect teen hustle if you love hands-on work, want flexible hours, and want to keep your life balanced between fun and earning. Gear up, go mobile, and watch your profits shine. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more teen-friendly gig ideas.